Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on YouTube. Today I am unboxing the Shimmerz Paints December 2025 Color Kits. Now the colors in the kit this month are so pretty. So I'm going to start with the paints. This first one here is called Pull Me Close, and it's a Shimmerz, and it's an absolutely beautiful blue. This would be perfect for making like snowflakes or a back winter sky or a snowman. Really, really pretty. Now to make my swatches, I use some scrapbook.com mixed media cardstock, and I cut them down into 2x2 squares, and then I swatch those, and I keep those on little rings after I make my videos. So this next color I'm showing you, this is in Inklings, and it's called Lover's Lips. So I'd previously swatched that one, so that you can see. And then this one is gorgeous. It's a beautiful green for Christmas, just that really pretty Christmas tree green. And it's called Jilted Jade, and it's a Shimmerz. It's really hard to pick up the shimmer and shine from these colors. They're so pretty in person. This next color is called Pink Moscato, and it's a Vibes. So let me flip through my pinks here because I know I've swatched this one previously. And as I'm flipping through here, I'm realizing I don't think it's in with the pinks. Maybe I put it in with the purple because it's kind of like one of those colors that's a little bit pink, a little bit, it has like a purple tint to it. So I will pick up my purple ring and look through it. I'm just going through here one more time. Here we go. I found it. So this is the Pink Moscato. And you see how it's pink, but it has like that little hint of purple. So I filed it with my purples. And then this color is called Vibes. It's a Vibes, and it's called I Missed You. And it's a really pretty teal green. So pretty. Now, I want to mention that if you place an order on the Shimmerz Paints website, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order, and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. And you can add my name to every order you place, and each time you'll get another free paint. So here is that really pretty I Missed You. Gorgeous. Now you can purchase just the paints, you can purchase just the paper. There's lots of different ways that you can purchase, so check out the website for more details. Now this is called a bonus bundle, so this is only, I think it's $5 or $6. You get the sequins and a paint. So the sequins this month, they are so pretty too. They've got pink and little green discs and red, and they've got snowflakes. Glittery, shiny. They've got some hearts in here. And then it also comes with a paint. So in the paint color, this is a creamies. And this is how I store my creamies. So they come in these little paint pans. And this color is called Refreshment. And I'm just going to go ahead and label this and show you how I store all of these. So I add a C to the end, and that just tells me that it's a creamies. And then I write the color. I just use a Sharpie to write the color, Refreshment, and then I store them in this little tin, and then the tin comes with these magnets, so I'm going to place the magnet on the back of my paint pan here, and then, oop, I've got one of the colors stuck to my shirt. I don't think that Pull Me Close was dry yet. But that's how I store them, in these pans. So I will leave this link down below in the description box in case you're interested in getting a little storage container for your paints. Now here's a look at how I store all of my other paints, and these were also purchased on Amazon, and Joanne Bartel is the one that showed me she stored her paints like this, so I had to jump on board and pick this up as well. So they've got the drawers, and you can customize these and just get the bigger drawers for the taller bottles. But I absolutely love this for storing. And then I store them by color. So I've got like a yellow drawer, a green drawer, purple drawer, and then I've even got a drawer for some extra sequins down here on the bottom. So that works out perfectly. All right, so let's go ahead and continue unboxing this kit. So this month, we received this gorgeous stencil, and this has lots and lots of snowflakes on it, and they've got lots of detail. So this is going to be pretty to paint with. I'm trying to put a paper behind it. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? So I definitely want to use that. Then we also get 3 enamel dots, or some people call them flare. So we've got some flare dots. and they have ornaments, and they also say Merry Christmas. And then included in the color kits each month, you receive a coloring sheet. So with this, it's got lots of different Christmas images and icons, and you can paint these up with your paints and then fussy cut them out with your scissors and then add them to your projects. You also receive a pack of pre-cut ephemera. So I'm just gonna flip through some of these so you can see. We've got like deck the halls, there's little Christmas trees, little sentiments here. I like the little strand of lights. We've got a wreath, ho, 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 a couple little journaling spots. Oh, I love the lights. Super cute. All right, let's take a look at all the papers. So these are 12 by 12, and they're really good, thick quality. Then we've got this pretty pattern. This one's got a bunch of frames, or they even look like kind of postage stamps. And then we've got fa la 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 on the back. This one, I think I have mine paper upside down. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I love this paper. This one is so bright and colorful and fun. Then we've got a rainbow here with some snowflakes, and I think this would work any way you turn it. Super pretty. You can even fussy cut that out. Then this one, we've got like a candy stripe frame, and then we've got the stripes on the back. And then we've got Christmas trees here and all the pretty colors that are included in the kit. Then we've got a green and mint stripe paper. This one has a strand of lights across the top and then a little wavy border, scallop border on the bottom. There's some holly on a yellow background paper. Then we've got this pretty image here, this funky image. And then we've got stars on the back. I think this could go any direction. It kind of looks like hanging lights. That's pretty. This one has snowflakes along the top and on the bottom, and all of the colors. And then we've got some candy canes here on the back. That's pretty on the blue paper. And then we've got this pattern paper that's got like snow in the corners. Ooh, and then a rainbow stripe. So that's a look at everything included in the Shimmerz Paints color kits. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And I will create several projects this month using this kit. You can also check out the Shimmerz Paints Facebook group for some additional inspiration throughout the month. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!